What are some real-world examples of the rule of law? Have you ever wondered how societies maintain order and resolve conflicts? The answer often lies in the rule of law. This principle refers to established standards that govern behavior, recognized and enforced within a community. Let's look at some real-world examples that illustrate this concept. One fascinating example comes from the Trobriand Islanders, studied by anthropologist Bronislaw Malinowski. In their society, there is no formal government or written laws. Instead, they rely on customs and social norms to maintain order. These customs create binding obligations and encourage reciprocity. For instance, if someone fails to reciprocate in social interactions or fishing activities, they face social sanctions. This system helps the Trobrianders resolve conflicts and maintain societal cohesion without formal legal structures. Another example can be found in many Indigenous societies. Here, law is often embedded in communal relationships rather than in formal institutions. Elders or councils typically adjudicate disputes based on shared customs and mutual obligations. The legitimacy of these laws comes from collective recognition and the social authority of those enforcing them. This approach allows communities to resolve conflicts in a way that aligns with their cultural values. In more complex societies, the rule of law becomes institutionalized. Modern nation-states create legal codes that define acceptable behavior, allocate authority, and provide mechanisms for resolving disputes. For example, in the United States, the legal system includes courts, codified statutes, and law enforcement agencies. These systems reflected the understanding that law serves to identify acceptable behavior and adapt to social changes. Practical applications of the rule of law in peacebuilding and conflict resolution are essential. Supporting legal frameworks that are culturally relevant and recognized by local communities is crucial. Effective rule of law promotion must consider existing customs and social norms. For instance, integrating traditional dispute resolution methods with formal legal systems can enhance justice delivery in post-conflict societies. This approach not only respects local traditions, but also helps build trust in the legal system. Real-world examples of the rule of law range from unwritten customary laws in small-scale societies to formal legal institutions in larger states. Anthropology shows us that law is not just about written rules. It also includes culturally embedded practices that regulate behavior, maintain order, and resolve conflicts within diverse social contexts. By understanding these examples, we can appreciate how the rule of law plays a vital role in societal evolution and peace-building efforts around the world.